Today I need to go... wait, that was yesterday. And what's today? Where is that note?
Do you mean this one? Nope, it's a grocery list. It's impossible to find anything in this mess.
Sue, you will ruin everything. I have my own genius system here. Give it back. How should I know what and when to do?
It's not a system, it's just real chaos. I have an idea for how to organize everything.
Hey, you forgot about me! You can't do anything without me!
Hi guys, today we'll help Sammy organize his chaos.
Couldn't we save a little bit of chaos?
No, you really need some order. And we need some glue. Because apparently just the paper notes won't do.
Yeah.
Do you want me to write that down for you? But honestly, that was kind of mean of you.
Truce! Don't hold grudges, Susie. It was just a joke.
Sammy, I'm not angry. I even want to give you my favorite piece of clothing.
Thanks. But I'm not a house elf. What a silly prank.
Why don't we just get back to crafting our planner?
I already have an awesome idea. Give me a second. I'm done and ready to show you everything. A house is better than a planner. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. Ha-ha!
Okay, so now we're having a competition. Then I can make a fan out of these.
Whatever. I'm the best no matter what you do.
Of course you are. Nobody doubts that. Check it out, guys. There's a space for everything here.
Really? And where should I put my markers? I use them quite often.
A bit of patience, Sammy. You'll see everything in a couple of minutes.
Will there be a place to put my phone? I can't do without it.
Why don't we place it right here? It fits perfectly.
Hey, Sue, I don't really like that. I can't see my cell phone that way.
Okay. Maybe we could place it somewhere here?
Maybe we can make a special stand for it?
And to do this, we're gonna need these pieces. It's good that I had everything ready.
I don't think we can make a stand out of these, Susan.
What if I showed you this decorative tape?
You always know how to convince me.
That's true. Just one fast move and everything is ready. But for the best result, we need to add a few more things.
I still don't understand how you're gonna get a stand from this. Hey, where are you taking it?
I just want to show you how to fix everything. And the biggest element of our construction is ready. Stay tuned to see the rest. Oh, so many interesting things are happening on social media while I'm at school.
While you're surfing the internet, our time is running out, Sue. I have a lot of stuff to do.
You have a lot to do. I'm off today. I'll do what I want.
That's how you're talking now? Then get ready.
Ugh, you're so loud. Sammy, what are you doing? Spare my ears.
I'm just trying to get your attention. We agreed to make a planner for my tasks and you…
Okay. I needed just a minute. I'm ready to work now.
Here, this will be the base for the notes board. We just need to decorate it.
Then let's start with the background. The best choice is the white color. Whoosh. And everything is ready.
It's time to write down all of my ideas.
Where's the fire? You're early. I'm not done yet. It will look much better with a frame, and nothing will fall out.
Sue, but it will fall out if we put something on it.
That's why we'll take a screen like this. Everything will be visible and safe.
This thing really looks like a TV, and it has to show me. Hold it for a second. Dear viewers, I'm going to share the latest updates of the set.
I wish we could change the channel.
Sue, what are you doing?
This goes here, and we have a convenient folder for the calendar.
Maybe we better put a photo in there. It will be just like a screensaver.
Let me see. It does look beautiful. It's like we made a real photo frame. But we are making a planner here, so this beauty won't do.
Nah, I just wanted to help. Plus, I look great in this picture.
Can't argue with that. Next, our planner needs a fastening so it doesn't open all of a sudden. We just need to make an opening right here. Voila! We're gonna place a little magnet there.
Huh? What is that thing?
It's a magnet that will secure the planner tightly.
We can attach this thing to the fridge and make notes there.
It's a good idea, but I have other plans. This will be the lid. Here's another magnet, and what do they do together?
They attract! This way the lid will always stay in place. Oops, it got magnetized.
Sammy, your experiments again? Let's maybe think about the decor.
I'm already on it. Who's the best designer in the world after all?
It's you. Do you agree, guys? Don't go anywhere and you'll see what Sammy comes up with. Okay, it's high time to brighten things up. Sammy, any ideas?
Well, sure. Did you doubt me? I chose this style. What do you say?
Great minds think alike. The paper I picked is of the same color. We just need to transfer your drawing, hup, and we're done.
Then what are you waiting for? Glue it! I want the best planner in the world.
What if I like it so much that I'll keep it?
You wish! It's my planner! And I think we need more decor here.
Okay, as you say, you can choose the necessary elements.
I'm on it. How do you like it?
Oh, what an interesting choice. Let's find the best place for this on the lid. This one goes here, and a little heart will look perfect here.
Oh, it turned out so beautiful. The color, the shape, the size, all for me.
I like it too, and you're not the only one who needs it.
Okay, go ahead and take your notes here, but my planner is just for me.
Oh, but the planner is so much better. Don't be greedy.
Let's do it this way. I will show you a trick and get my planner. Bibbidi bobbidi boom!
Whoa, I really like that trick, but you didn't finish it. I will have to take care of that by myself. This goes right here.
Ideas here, and you are working.
Come on, I can also show some tricks. Bibbidi bobbidi hup, and the drawer is ready.
That's cheating. You made it in advance. Where's the magic then? Ah!
Sammy, your magic is enough for both of us. Actually, Sammy, does our planner remind you of something?
Huh? What? Sue, I'm busy. I'm drawing the calendar.
Keep drawing, and to me, this looks like a laptop. It just needs the keyboard. And if we're missing something, it's high time to add it. Now it really looks like a laptop. What do you say, guys? Give us a thumbs up if you really like it.
Sue, I have my calendar ready. It is a real masterpiece. Check it out.
Hey, Sammy, have you ever seen a real calendar?
Huh? What's wrong with it? I made this one according to the rules of Tibidabo.
Sammy, I'll show you how it's done. Look, we start from here, and we have to put down all the days of the week. This looks much better, and the layout is very comfortable.
You're right, Sue, and now we can fill it with notes.
We're not ready just yet. The paper needs protection. That's why we've glued a plastic screen here. See? Do you get it now?
Yeah, this way I'll be able to write anything I want whenever I want.
And also, I know how to make that calendar last forever.
I am confused. You can't erase a marker with a toy.
This toy is made of felt, so it will erase any marker really well. Well, guys, shall we give our planner a test drive?
Not this one. So I need to transfer everything into my new planner.
Sammy, you're making a mess again. Let me help you so we finish it faster.
I'm not making a mess. Hey!
We'll put the markers here so they are always at hand.
The most important thing is the phone. Put it in its place.
Aye, aye, Captain. It goes right next to the sponge.
We have to do something about these. I hope I didn't lose anything.
Oh, so many notes. Let's put aside the old ones. And here is everything we're gonna transfer. Look, Sammy, no more mess.
So what's the first thing on my to-do list? Tell me already.
Hold on, Sammy. Check this out. Guys, we are already thinking about a new craft. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our planner. Bye-bye.
Yes, soon we'll share a new video with you. Bye, everyone.